Hello dear students, welcome back to online class from LK Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Jana Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at your home, but you will study continue with us by the help of online classes. Okay? You have done some exercises in previous online classes. So today we will complete the exercise F from the chapter 1 and topic Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Okay? F exercise F. Let's we do start exercise F. Circle the correctly spelled word in each pair. Okay? Circle the correctly spelled word in each pair. Okay? So you know very well the spelling of busy. Tell me spelling of busy. You know? Okay, I am telling you spelling of busy. B-U-S-Y. It is correct spelling. So you will circle this word. Okay? And next, pretty. Pretty. Do you know spelling of pretty? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Okay? This is correct spelling. Okay? You can also circle this word. And next, arrogant. But it is not correct. Okay? Arrogant will not be, because it doesn't mean nothing. Okay? So please tell me spelling of urgent. Okay? U-R-G-E-N-T, urgent. That is correct spelling. So you can circle this word. And next, carriage. You had studied about the story spelling of carriage. Okay? So tell me spelling of carriage. C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E, carriage. Okay? That is correct. Okay? So you will circle it. Okay? Next, complaint. That is not correct. Next, worrying. Okay? W-O-R-R-Y-I-N-G. That is correct. Because you know the spelling worry. Okay? W-O-R-R-Y, worry. Next, complaint. You know very well spelling of complaint. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-T. Firstly, you have to tell me, you will tell me complaint. Spelling of complaint, C-O-M-P-L-L-A-I-N. Then you will add end of word complaint, T. Okay? So it will be complaint. Okay? It is correct word. Worrying. It is not correct. So it has been completed in this exercise. And okay. So dear students, let's come to the next exercise G. Take the correct groups of words that are sentences. Okay. This is splendid. Okay. This is splendid because it is suppressed sentences. Okay. So please, this is correct sentence. Okay, what do we do with him? What do we do with him? You can see here, this is interrogative sentence. It is correct. The carriage. Okay, this is not correct because it is not completed the sentence. Okay, the earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. It is correct sentence. Okay, next, how do you go to school? It is interrogative sentence, so it will be correct. Okay, next, do you have younger? Do you have younger? But doesn't here and use the question mark and a sentence, so it is not correct. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, now my dear students, let's start next exercise as. Okay, question number 1, lead to the toad friends stable yard is. Okay, so you will rearrange the groups of words and use the capital letters, full stop, okay, and question mark and end of sentence exclamation mark. Okay, answer will be toad led his friends to the stable yard. Okay, and use the full stop end of sentence. Okay, it is completed sentence. Okay, next, with was annoyed told. Next question, then will be correct sentence. Red was annoyed with toad. Okay, with toad. It is completed the sentence. Third is, okay dear students, will your house come well? Okay, you will arrange the correct words in sentence. Okay, firstly you have to take when, then subject you, when, helping verb, will you come house. Okay, okay dear student, now the next question, hit the Virat Kohli for a 6 ball. Okay, so you will rearrange the group of words. Okay, in correct way. Okay, Virat Kohli. Okay, this is the subject. So firstly you have taken Virat Kohli hit the ball for 6 ball. Okay, then you will come to the next exercise, movie to would like you watch. So you can take the main subject, would you like watch a movie? Means it is interrogative sentence. Okay, it is saying, would you like watch a movie? Okay, then will be correct sentence. Okay, Next, 6. Meal of what delicious? It is exclamation sentence. Okay. So, what a delicious? What a delicious meal, because it is very surprised question. Okay. So firstly it is saying what a delicious meal. Okay. So come to the next exercise, communication skills. Okay. Page number 11. You can do it self. Okay. You can do it self because communication skills and writing skills you can do self. Okay. It is very easily. Thank you. Keep watching video. Bye bye.